Today we're going to determine whether these functions are even, odd, or neither. So how can we tell if they're even, odd, or neither? Well, what we need to do is we need to find f of negative x, right? Because if f of negative x is equal to f of x, the function's even, and if f of negative x is equal to the negative version of f of x, then the function is odd, and if neither of those things are true, then the function is neither even nor odd. So in practice, most functions in general that you'll see are actually neither even nor odd, though in questions like this where they ask you whether the function's even, odd, or neither, they probably are going to give you more that, are at least one of those than we organically have. So let's dive in. Okay, so let's find f of negative x of this first one here. So f of negative x is equal to 6 times negative x squared plus 9. Now, negative x squared is just x squared, right? Two negatives make a positive when we multiply. So we get 6x squared plus 9. And you'll notice 6x squared plus 9, well, that's just equal to f of x. And so therefore, this function is even. Okay, let's try another. First of all, we need to find g of negative x. So g of negative x is equal to negative 3 times negative x to the power 7 plus 2 times negative x to the power 5 minus negative x. Then, since 7 is an odd power, that means that we are going to end up with negative x to the 7. So here we're going to get negative 3 times negative x to the power, the negative version of x to the power of 7. Same with here where we have negative x to the power 5 because we're doing an odd power there. This is the same as the negative version of x to the power 5. And then minus negative x would be plus x. Then I'll multiply these through, and we're going to get 3x to the power 7 minus 2x to the power 5 plus x. So clearly this is not equal to the original g of x, so therefore the function isn't even. But I want to check to see what negative g of x is. The negative version of g of x would be negative 3x to the power 7 plus 2x to the power 5 minus x, and that is equal to positive 3x, positive 3x to the power 7 minus 2x to the power 5 plus x. And so the negative version of g of x is equal to g of negative x. And since these two are the same, that means this function is odd. Awesome. Okay, let's do part C. For this one, first we need to find h of negative x. That's going to be equal to 2 times negative x to the power 4 minus 3 times negative x squared plus 7, which is going to be, because we have an even power here, we're going to get 2x to the power 4 and then minus 3 and then x squared, since again we have an even power there, plus 7. And so once again, this is equal to our original, which is h of x. And so because h of negative x is equal to h of x, that means that the function is even. As always, feel free to leave any questions you have in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.